You're watching TV9 Digital. I am Adarsh Vepachedu. We're going to see a big announcement on regulation of OTT content very soon. We've all been witness to the furor created over web series such as Tandav and Mirzapur, which earned a lot of ire of netizens for allegedly hurting religious sentiments. There have been calls for OTT regulation given that digital media has well and truly made its place in the current pandemic scenario. Several complaints have been raised against the content on various web series and OTT films. In the latest, Information and Broadcasting Minister Prakash Javadekar said that all the complaints have been taken note of and that guidelines for content on OTT will be out very soon. The I&B Minister also took note of the fact that content on OTT does not come under the purview of the existing acts or regulations. Listen to what I&B Minister Prakash Javadekar had to say.
OTT की फिल्में हो, OTT प्लेटफॉर्म्स पर चलने वाले कार्यक्रम हो या डिजिटल न्यूज़पेपर्स हो, ना उनको प्रेस काउंसिल का कानून लगता था, न उनको केबल टेलीविजन का कानून लगता था, न उनको प्रेस काउंसिल के बंधन में वो आते थे, न सेंसर बोर्ड के बंधन में आते थे। तो अब एक सुचारू व्यवस्था जल्दी घोषित होगी कि उनका संचालन कैसे हो, इसके बारे में भी गाइडलाइंस आएगी।
Now, content on OTT platforms has been at the receiving end with public outcry and even booking of makers of these programs. Speaking about the complaints, 3 FIRs were registered in Lucknow, Greater Noida and Shahjahanpur in Uttar Pradesh. 2 FIRs were filed in Madhya Pradesh and 1 FIR each in Karnataka and Bihar. Additionally, at least 3 complaints have been registered in Maharashtra, Delhi and Chandigarh over content aired on OTT. These complaints and FIRs were registered over various matters ranging from inappropriate depiction of Uttar Pradesh cops and deities to adverse portrayal of a character playing the role of Prime Minister in a show. Not too long ago, the Bombay High Court had granted a transit pre-arrest bail to director Ali Abbas Zafar, producer Himanshu Mishra, writer Gaurav Solanki and Purohit, against whom a case was registered in Lucknow. Well, the outrage against OTT content, especially series like Tandav and Mirzapur on Amazon Prime Video, has been such that the second season of another popular show called The Family Man has been indefinitely postponed by the OTT platform. According to news reports, Prime Video's team does not want to release The Family Man when the platform is mired in unwanted controversies. In another update, the I&B Ministry has permitted functioning of theatres and cinema halls with 100% seating capacity starting February 1st. But that does not take away from OTT, which has cemented its place all thanks to the pandemic. That said, do let us know in the comment section below your thoughts on regulating content on OTT platforms and having guidelines for the same. If you've liked the content that we presented, make sure you like and share this video. Do not forget to subscribe to TV9 News on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. Many thanks for joining us.